Welcome to this video that will walk through how to navigate Impinj's Speedway Connect software. Let's jump right in. You've successfully installed the Speedway Connect software. Now let's head over to the software's web interface to use it. The URL for the Speedway Connect interface is almost exactly the same as the reader's standard web UI, except for one major difference. The Speedway Connect interface has an S after the HTTP. Type in the new URL, which will be https://speedwayr, and then the last 6 digits of your reader's MAC address. Once the page opens, you'll need to type in the user ID and password, which is the exact same as the web UI. The user ID is lowercase root, and the password is lowercase impinj. Once you are logged in, you will see that the software is set up in a simple and easy to use interface. Now I'll walk through the top toolbar and the main categories to give you an idea of the software's functionalities. The top toolbar. Status. The status button can be used to enable or disable Speedway Connect. If the status indicator is red, the software is disabled or paused. If the status indicator is green, the software is enabled and working properly. Save. The Save button allows you to save your current configurations in a JSON or text file. Open. The Open button allows you to open and load a text file or JSON file as a current configuration. After choosing the file to open, the configuration will only be set if you select the Apply button. Collapse All or Expand All. The Collapse All button conveniently collapses or expands all the main categories. Apply. The Apply button applies the current configurations to the reader. Help. The Help button walks through the actions you can take within the interface. And Uninstall. The Uninstall button uninstalls the Speedway Connect software from the reader. Here are the main categories. Reader settings. Modes. Under Reader Settings modes, users can change settings like Reader Mode, Search Mode, Session, and Population Estimate. Antennas. Under Reader Settings Antennas, users have complete control over your antennas, with the ability to change the number of antennas, receive sensitivity, and transmit power. Triggers. Under Read Settings Triggers, users can create a triggered event and specify the antenna port, event, period of time, offset, and UTC time. A trigger will tell the reader when to initiate a read sequence, as well as when to end the sequence. Triggers can be set to immediate, periodic, or based on input, or a GPI. Low Duty Cycle. Under Reader Settings Low Duty Cycle, users can configure the duty cycle, which is the amount of time the antennas are transmitting versus not powered. Low Duty Cycle can be key to reducing power usage and for reducing the chances of overheating. Output. Data. Under Output Data, users can configure the data output by the software, including whether it reports information like the TID number, RSSI, or timestamp. Connection. Under Output Connection, users can configure the output method for the software. Learn about these 5 different methods in our next video, and that link is on screen now. Filtering. Software. Under Filtering Software, users can effectively filter out duplicate tag reads. Gen 2. Under Filtering Gen 2, users can set and use Gen 2 filters that filter certain tag reads based on the information contained in one or more of the tag's memory banks. Advanced GPO. Under Advanced GPO, users can enable the general purpose outputs and configure different preset GPO modes depending on certain criteria. Speedway Connect Administration. Under Speedway Connect Administration, users can input their paid license key, update the password to access the software, and save the current configurations in different formats. Thanks for watching this video about navigating Impinj's Speedway Connect software. To learn more about the Speedway Connect software, check out the videos in the description below, or click on the link on screen now to jump to our Impinj Speedway Connect video playlist. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more RFID videos just like this one.